everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I have a thrift haul for you today. I was going to say yard sale haul too, but I think I literally have two things on the table here from the yard sales this week. We had a lot of rainy weather, not a lot going on, so didn't get too much at yard sales, but I do have some thrift haul stuff, decor stuff, things to flip that I'm really excited about, so let me just jump in and get going. So first off, from a yard sale, I got these two little spoons. I am fairly certain that these are just from little canisters. They're like the little wooden spoons that go with them. They're in a free box. And then I got this set. I'm going to try lifting this for $4. The only thing I don't like are the hearts. So help me out. Do I keep it with the hearts, repaint everything, or do I fill in those hearts? Because I really don't like them. But these will get sanded down and repainted. They're dirty, they're chipping anyways and wearing off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and totally redo this. Let me move this down to the floor and out of the way so I can get my boys to start moving this. All right, so we'll move on to thrift haul stuff. Got a wide variety today. I've got this big old, looks hand done, hand turned rolling pin. This was $3.99, and normally I don't pay this much for them. I try to keep them $2.99 and under. However, this is really big, and it's definitely handmade and definitely has some age to it. So this may end up in my personal stash. I've got this pitcher. Now I grabbed this because it's very crock-like. I paid $4.99. It says it's Roseville pottery. Whether it is or not, I don't know. I love it this side, not so much this side. And I've seriously thought this feels raised. Well, parts of it do. And I seriously wonder if it's not something I can pull off. I don't think it, I don't know. But this side, amazing. I love the striping detail. So I may end up keeping that and putting it up with some flowers in it or something. Had some fresh lilacs in here before, but I brought them out. But I don't know. I got it because I like the stripes. I got these wooden candlesticks. These were $1.99 each. You know these will get some paint on them. I got some fake lemons. These are the really nice heavy ones, and I'm actually going to do either a tiered tray or a round tray with all lemon stuff coming up here, and maybe I'll do a video. I haven't decided. I just thought of that now, but I have some other goodies that are all lemon themed that I'd love to throw in there as well. And $2.99 for those nice heavy ones. I got 5 of them. It's a pretty good deal. I got this little crock for $2.99. Plain and simple. I can always put a stamp on it if I want to or something, but as of right now, it's going to stay that way. Look at this. I know we're missing a top, but it's cute. It's a little copper and brass little teapot. It was $1.99. Again, this is going to be super cute on a tiered tray or something similar. I mean, this has got so many possibilities. And then throw a lemon or two. I mean, super easy to style up. But that was cute. I don't know if I'm keeping that or getting rid of it. And then I grabbed these, looks like Pfaltzgraff plates. There is a set of 4. They were $1.99. It's a chip that I just saw. But I just like the shape. I like the color. They look cute stacked in my antique hutch. So that's a for me purchase. I found some fabric, and I love this striped fabric. It's nice, heavy duty for upholstering projects. It looks to be 2 yards, and I got it for $4.99, and this is a lot more pricey than that, so I was really glad to find a good deal on that. It will definitely get repurposed. And look what I found, 2 more. We have one with the brown wood. This is actually teak wood. It was $3.99. And then I got one, I don't understand their pricing. It was the same store, same day, but the one with the black, and it's wood. I can see the grain through it. It just has a black paint or stain on it. And this one was $5.99. And both of those will get painted up, distressed back, and then resold. And guys, I found 2 bread boxes. So there's that one. And this one. So I have 2 more bread boxes. My pile's getting huge. I have a lot of things to do, so I'm gonna be doing a couple of DIY videos this week. Like I said, it wasn't a lot, but it was definitely good stuff. And I've got some DIY videos coming up. And since I only took 5 minutes to show you guys that, I'm gonna show you my quick little haul from Dollar General. We do not have a Dollar General in town. And I keep hearing about all the good farmhousey type stuff that they have there. And I was really excited to be able to find some of the stuff I was looking for. So, while I'm at it, here are my lemons we just bought. And let me show you what we're gonna do. I got a lavender citrus candle. This was $5. It smells amazing. I got this cute little tray. Let me show you the tray first. Cute little tray. Candle. We got some lemon measuring cups. These are ceramic. They're obviously still in the package, $5. Those will go in the tray. Salt and pepper shaker. These were $2. My fake lemons for $2.99 are gonna go in here. It's gonna be noisy. And then I've got some oven mitts. Or an oven mitt and a towel that match with a pot holder. And they have that grain sack striping in the background, and I'm not sure if I'm going to throw those in the tray or if I'm going to do these ones. These were all $1 a piece. And this is probably my favorite, and I wish they had pot holders to match this, but I love it. Then I also got these cute little blue jays. Now I've seen people take these were $1 a piece. They had cardinals as well. I didn't grab those because cardinals have that little tuft and they're very, very specific, and I didn't want to repaint them. And they didn't have the other little birdies I was looking for, but these were $1 a piece. I may repaint them. I may just stick them in the tiered tray here for a pop of color and throw in my little towel. But I also found these 2 little pigs. One has like a wood grain texture. These were $3 each. I was hoping to find some of the ones that were like laying flat too, but I didn't. These are gonna get paint on them and resold. These were, again, $3 a piece. So those were all from Dollar General. Let me turn this. The tray is actually from Dollar General as well. This was $5. And it's got the wooden handles. It's not enamelware, it's just a metal one, but it looks like enamelware. But I'm gonna do something with all of these goodies, either on a tiered tray or in this tray. I just haven't decided what, but we'll make it cute. I could see, let me see. Got everything sitting in front of me. I'm using these. Some of this to give it some height in here. But yeah, I'll get this all staged up and I'll take pictures and probably put them on Instagram. And then, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. There's a lot of possibilities you have when you have a tray like this or a tiered tray. You can do all sorts of fun stuff with them. So anyways, that's my quick haul for today. Watch later this week for some DIY videos. I've got stacks upon stacks, and I also, for the first time in probably a good year, maybe longer, I bought a piece of furniture to do, and I haven't done one because my arm is still broken and I'm really nervous about sanding because I have a lot of hardware in there, and the vibrations tend to jiggle the hardware and it's uncomfortable, and I don't want to have them fail already. I mean, they're gonna fail, we already know that, but the longer I can keep them working, the better. So I bought that, and it's a 10-drawer dresser. I adore it. I've got ideas already. I just don't have a color in my head yet. I'll wait till the kids get it home. They went to go pick it up. I couldn't. We went grocery shopping and I didn't have room. We had like the cat food and the chicken food, and just didn't have room with the groceries and stuff. So they went back to go get it. So I'll make sure to get pictures and put it up here. And then watch for some DIY videos. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. but I have stacks of stuff to do. So until next time, please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you later.